Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your B.G.S class, and today's topic is Chapter 1, Lesson 3 and 4 discussion. So let's start our class. Look at the board. This is Chapter 1, Lesson 3, the importance of social environment. In the previous chapters, we learned about what is natural environment and what is social environment, and we also learned some elements of natural environment and social environment. And this is lesson 3, the importance of social environment. Now, the important elements of our social environment are our home and school. So these are also two important elements of social environment. Just look, this is the picture where house, children, women, men, they are doing different types of works. Okay, and this is the picture of a home neighborhood. We know our home best. We live here, we play in the yard. Everyone around us is our neighbor. Our school is very dear to us. We learn and play in the school. We take part in different functions and festivals there. So this is a picture of a school's activity. That means the school's role in the social environment. And here we can see that this is the picture of a sports day. So here we have learned two important elements of social environment like home and school. Students, now go to the next page. Here number B. Write these things in the correct column. I am telling the names only. Now, this is natural environment, social environment, and some elements are bird, school, animal, river, house, road, tree and bridge. So from this word we have to identify that the elements of natural environment and the elements of social environment. So at first, bird. Bird is the element of natural environment. School. School is the element of social environment. Animal. Animal is the element of natural environment. River, also this is the element of natural environment. House is the element of social environment. Road is also the element of social environment. Tree is the element of natural environment. And the last one, breeze, is the element of social environment. Now come here. This is number D. Exercise number D. Fill in the gaps with appropriate words. Number 1. School is an element of the dash environment. So school is the element of the social environment. We have to write it social. So the correct word is here social. Number 2, we should always keep our dash clean. Students, you can write here, we should always keep our environment clean, or also you can write the surroundings also. So both are correct, that we should always keep our environment clean or we should always keep our surrounding clean. Both are correct, but I have written here environment. Those surrounding is also correct. Now go to the next lesson. This is lesson 4, transport. Transport is another important element of the social environment. Roads and transport help us in many ways. We go to school using roads. We go to markets and visit different places using roads. We use bus, train, launch, steamer and aeroplane. And students, just look at different types of transports: bus, aeroplane, train and the launch. So these are different types of transports. Photo. and this road and these different types of transports, they are the element of social environment. Now go to the next page, and here this is exercise number D. Here exercise number D, and before that I want to just give you the idea of number B. In pairs write lists of transport under these headings. That means the land, that means in land which type of transports do we use? We use bus, truck, cycle, that means motorcycle or bicycle, motorcycle, auto rickshaw, then rickshaw. Okay, different types of transports. And in water, launch, steamer, boat, speedboat, etc. And here in the air, aeroplane, then helicopter, parachute, rocket, this. So you can write this here. Now number D, match the phrases on the left with the ones on the right. That means this is matching. Four parts of sentences are given here and the other parts are given here, and we have to match these two columns. At first, we enjoy many functions and festivals. The last one. Number A, we enjoy many functions and festivals. We enjoy many functions and festivals. Number B, everything around us is called our environment. Number C, people build many things to meet their needs. Number D, houses, roads, transports are part of the social environment. So this is the matching. And students, today we have learned chapter 1, lesson 3 and lesson 4. And you have to practice these lessons at your home. Now your HW number 2 is lesson 4, exercise D. That means this is lesson 4, exercise number D. This matching, this is your HW number 2. Okay students, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.